Hi there, it's Kim Denny with The Inspired, and I'm here today to give you a quick basic tutorial on stringing your sunshine plaque. Now, whenever I video these, the words look backwards, but I assure you that this says hello sunshine the correct way. Stringing one of these kits is super easy, and you really can't mess it up, so just take your time, don't be afraid, and jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is tie your string onto any nail. And whenever you tie on or tie off a string, leave a nice long tail because that's going to make it easier to tie. It will be much less frustrating. If you cut this really short and try and tie it, you're going to have a hard time with it and you're going to drive yourself crazy. So first tip, nice long tail. The next thing you want to do is you want to outline the basic shape. So here we're doing the sun. We're going to go around the outer edge here. Sometimes you might have to go on the inside of the nails to get them to hold on. So depending on the curve, you're going to just go around the edge. Some people like to do a loop-de-loop, which just means that you wrap around the nail for it to hold on, and that's fine. It helps it hold on a little bit better. Or you can just go right along the edges. So let's pretend that we have this whole shape outlined already, just for the sake of timing in the video. And once it's all the way outlined, you're going to pretend like you have a crayon in your hand, and now you're just scribbling inside the lines. So you're going to go in all different directions. You'll make some long lines, you'll make some short lines, and you will just keep going until you've hit it each nail about one time. Now, it's okay if you hit a nail more than once or if you skip some nails because you're going to be doing several layers. So there's no such thing as perfection here. The one thing that you want to be aware of as you're stringing your sun, though, is to stay inside the rays here and don't go into the gaps that need to be left open. So you don't want to be stringing and accidentally go like that, so you're filling in the gap part. You want to leave that open. So just kind of step back and check it every so often to make sure that you're staying outside of those outside parts. Okay, so let's pretend now that we have this whole layer done. So we've hit each nail about one time. And what you're going to do then is just gently press down your string so it moves it down closer to the board. Then you're just going to repeat the whole process. So you'll outline again and then random until it's filled. Press down and then do it again. Most people like to do about 3 or 4 layers. You can do it as sparse or as dense as you would like it to be, to whatever looks good to your eye. Once that's completely done, you'll do an outline border. Now, if you're doing it in the same color, you will just continue on with the same string that you're using. If you're changing color, what you want to do is, and I didn't bring scissors with me, but just cut a long tail. So let's say that we cut this here. And then if you ended in the same area where you started, you can just tie your beginning string and your ending string together. That's a super easy way to tie it off. If you're not near where you started, then you'll just wrap it around wherever you are and then tie the string so that it's secure around whichever nail you're leaving off on. Okay, so let's pretend that this whole thing is filled into the level that we want it to be. And now I'm going to show you how to do that outline border. So what you do here is you're going to go around 2 nails twice. So you're making a circle around 2 nails, and then you're going to loop around the next 2 nails twice. And then you're going to loop around the next 2 nails, 1, 2, and 1, 2. And you'll continue your way all the way around the sun, but you can see that gives you a little bit of a thick border. So pretend that this is nail A and B. You're going to loop A and B 2 times, then B and C 2 times, then C and D 2 times, and continue your way around. As you continue, along the other side, you're just going to keep the same thing going. And you'll just go all the way around, and you'll complete all the rays of your sun. Once you've done all these rays, you can then go and do the same thing to this inner circle, and that'll give it a nice defined border. So if you have any questions or you need any help, just hop onto the Facebook page. I'll put the link in the video description here, and send me a message. I'm happy to help you there. If you need any more kits or if you have any questions, shoot me a message. You can also find some more kits in the pictures on my Facebook page and also on my Etsy shop. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy your project. I hope you have fun with it. And feel free to send me a picture on the Facebook page when it's all done. Thanks so much. Enjoy. Bye-bye.